guys, I'm gonna be trying to shoot this to turn it off. I'm actually gonna use a different gun. That just buzz cut me. A big ball just buzz cut. Alright. Let's see. Let's try to hit that. It bounced on my forehead. Will's downstairs, I'm pretty sure. Yeah? Huh? What am I doing? What? He's in the bathroom downstairs. Hey, Greg. I really need you. Where did that just go? I just shot it. Where'd it go? I just shot it and it disappeared. Run it round. No. Why do I run it round? No. Ooh. Oh, I felt the big black ball. I felt the big blue ball. I felt the ball. Big blue ball, the BBB. Bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, bro. Hey, what's up? Oh my god, direct shot.